Guys, welcome back to the Independent Investor Channel. My name is Ryan. Going to provide you guys a very rare opportunity for you visual learners out there or new investors that are looking to get involved in the stock market. The power of transparency. I'm going to be chronicling my $100,000 portfolio. Very, very rare opportunity to put your eyes on a portfolio using the M1 Finance platform. I've done everybody a favor and I've transposed my self-directed Roth IRA for you guys. I'm going to be providing the link to that in the description below, and I'm also going to provide the link to M1 Finance affiliate program. Please understand, if you do click over and want to research the M1 Finance platform for yourself, that I may receive a small compensation for you and the support of the channel. All right, so I'm going to provide those links to you guys, but I worked hard to get the allocation in the M1 Finance platform for you guys. This is going to be my portfolio. There is some cash in the account, equity holdings of around $68,000. So enjoy it. Please stay tuned because I'm going to be rolling out the number 2 portfolio. We have 2 self-directed accounts of the Roth IRA. All right, and I just want to prove to you guys what is possible. What is possible as a self-directed investor using all of your tools. M1 can provide that platform, access to retirement accounts, and the ability to invest in a custom portfolio with as little as $500 within a retirement account, or with as little money as you want within a taxable brokerage account. If you are not on M1 Finance, guys, you are behind the curve. You really need to listen up and you need to research this cutting edge platform. With that, I'm going to kick you into M1 Finance and allow you guys exclusive access to my portfolio. Please enjoy. All right, guys, so we are within the M1 Finance platform, where I've offered a replica of my independent investor portfolio number 1. I will be coming out with a follow-on video with the other portfolio as well, so stay tuned for that. But what an awesome opportunity to be able to share information like this. This is an actual replica of my portfolio. I'm going to leave this in the link in the description of this video. I'm also going to provide it in the community discussion, so you guys can go in and see exactly what you're looking at right now during this video. And you can see my percentage of allocation here and the actual holding here. Really, really clean, really great way of displaying a portfolio. This really can take place of a watch list now, guys. And if you have not started an account with M1 Finance, you're really missing out. You're missing out on this function of being able to build custom portfolios for yourself. And the cool thing about this is this has taken me about 25 years to build this portfolio over time. And this is interesting because you can actually invest in this pie. Now, I offer this for transparency only, and certainly would encourage everyone to do their own research. But think about the prospects of being able to invest in a pie like this for as little money as you choose. And keep in mind, this function is not made available on other platforms. M1 Finance allows you to build this platform or this custom pie the way that you want it. This one is made up of 30 holdings with a dividend yield that pushes close to 3%, and this small expense ratio of 0.02 is made up of these 4 ETFs that are within the portfolio from Vanguard. But we've met our goal to provide dividend income, do dividend or portfolio reinvestment, and back test the portfolio, which is another great feature of M1 Finance. Now, keep in mind, I would encourage everybody to go in here and research for yourself how returns are calculated, because this is just the real rate of return, not to include dividends paid in the portfolio. So not too bad. I've taken some liquidations this week, some winners, which has affected this percentage of return over the last 5 years here. But glad to do this, provide transparency for my viewers, and really add some extremely interesting insight to how I invest. This is real money. Within this portfolio, we're holding about $67,000 of equity and about $27,000 of cash on the side within this. So well balanced, got a good mix of equities, some good ETFs, and some good dividend paying stocks, as this is really focused on dividend appreciation and to be defensive in nature in the event of a downturn. So with that, guys, I will kick you back to the YouTube platform to finish up the video. Thank you. All right, so we've kicked back out of M1 Finance. I really hope you enjoyed taking a look over for a couple minutes of my portfolio. Guys, there's very rare people that will provide a portfolio reveal like I have, all right? And please stay tuned to the channel for more portfolio reveals. I'm going to be chronicling my bond portfolio and my fixed income portfolio, and as well as the self-directed investor portfolio number 2. All right, guys, if it's your first time tuning into the channel, again, I just want to premise, I will leave the affiliate links. They are provided in the description of all my videos, but it helps support the channel. If you do find some interest in researching either one of the 2 affiliates that we are involved with on the Independent Investor channel, both through First Trade and M1 Finance, which was the platform that was chronicled in this particular video, do not hesitate. Click on that affiliate link. Could receive a small commission if you do end up following through and signing up with M1 Finance and enjoying that platform as much as I have. Guys, if it's your first time tuning into the channel, you want to subscribe to the message here. Get notified of any future videos that I put on YouTube. Guys, leave your comments at the bottom of this video. And finally, you want to share the message with anybody out there that you know is looking to get involved in the stock market, maybe is looking for an introduction of where to invest, what account to use. We provide a lot of those solutions and much, much more on the Independent Investor channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and good luck in your investment future.